If you are looking for an easy cat makeup look for Halloween, you've come to the right place. Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Debbie Savage and I'm so excited to have you here. Today I'm going to recreate this cat makeup look for Halloween. It is so cute, so simple. I'm deliberately choosing products that I have at home that I know that you can get at your local drugstore, at your Walmart, Target, or beauty store. I'm not going to use any like face paint and stuff like that. Just everyday makeup that you have from home because I want to make Halloween fun and easy for you guys. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started. I have already applied my foundation and setting powder and done a little bit of contour. If you're interested in the products that I've used, it's in the description box. We'll be using my favorite eyeliner from Benefit Cosmetics. To begin, let's start with the cat eye flick and creating a line right outside the corner of your eye. I will place the tip of the eyeliner at the bottom lash and extend it out. From here, I like to put a dot above my lash line right where the edge of my iris is. This will provide a point of connection. And close my eyes, bring the eyeliner out and connect it to the other end. So we're going to go ahead and fill it in. Okay, and then you're going to take like the length of the felt tip eyeliner and use that to create the total eyeliner look. And just place like the body of the felt tip along your lash line. There's no need to rush the process of creating the cat eye. Just take it nice and easy. And I like to go over again with another pass of creating a thicker cat eye. Okay guys, do your best to even out your cat eye eyeliner. It's okay if it's a little bit off. Just have fun, you guys, and don't stress over makeup. I actually have a scar, like a 1/2 inch scar right here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's really hard to get the tail ends of my cat eyes to match because I'm having to paint over that scar. Apparently I fell off the baby chair when I was little when my mom was feeding me. Let's start with the color Toasty in the Sigma palette, which is like really nice sandy brown color, and just sweep it over your eyelid just to get a nice base, and from there we're going to build up. With a fluffy tapered brush, I am going to use a darker, more warmer brown called Henna, and we are going to emphasize the outer edge of your eye and sweep it through your eye crease. Okay, and with that same color, let's go ahead and emphasize this area here to give that feline look going on. The cat look is really coming together. Next, let's highlight this area here, the middle of your eyes, with a nice burgundy color. From this palette, the color is Rouge. To emphasize the outer corner of the eye where our cat eye is, I am going to use a darker brown called After Hours. Next step before we move on is that I want to emphasize the lash line, the eyeliner look, and the smoky eye look by using a dark black eyeshadow. The color is found here, and the color is called Smoking, and again it's just this nice pigmented black. With the same color of Smoking, the black, we are going to emphasize the outer corner of the eye. Next we'll be using LANCOME's eyeliner. It is called their Drama Liquid Pencil. You're going to use this white eye pencil along your waterline. Let's go back to our Smoking black eyeshadow color. I'm using a eyeliner brush. Place a row of the black eyeshadow, line it under the white eyeliner you just created. To find my lower eyeliner look, I am going to be using my LANCOME Le Crayon KHOL in Black Ebony. And if you need to fix any parts of your cat eye, you can do that too. Now we're going to go over to the inner part of your eye near the tear duct, and we're going to just extend it out a bit. Just really make our eyes feline light, creating a little point at the tear duct. And I just want to further define the nose contour here. So I'm just going to go back to my Warms Neutral Sigma eyeshadow palette in the color Henna and just dab it and just define it further at the nose contour. Really loving how this whole eye look is coming together. Next, we're going to emphasize our brow bone by using the Full Spectrum by COVERGIRL. It's their Sculpt Expert Versatile Cheek Palette. I'm going to also take that highlighter and apply it to the inner corners of my eye. Next, we're going to be using one of my favorite mascaras. It's from Essence, the Lash Princess. I like to start at the base of my eyelashes and gently pull the mascara wand up. And for the bottom of my lashes, I really love using Benefit's BADgal Bang. The applicator brush is it's tapered and it has little fingers to grab your little eyelashes on the bottom. For lashes, I'm going to use my favorite from the Jasmine Brown and EYELINER collab, and it is so beautiful on and easy to apply. Before I add my blush and highlight, I want to contour my face a little bit more, and I'm going to use my Essence Matte Bronzing Powder Palette. I also like to add dimension to my forehead. I'm going to quickly contour the sides of my nose with that same color. I'm going to use a brush, a tapered brush, to blend in the bronzing powder. I'll be using Rare Beauty's blush in the color of Love. I'm going to go ahead, and I love this blush color. A little bit goes a long way. What I like to do is dab a little bit on my finger and then press my two fingers together to distribute the color evenly, and then start at the apple of my cheeks and apply the color with my fingers. For the fun part, it's time to create that cute kitty nose. Going back into the Buxom palette and the color Smoking, just take a little bit there and dab it at the tip of your nose. Next, I will be using Smashbox's lip liner in Pinch Me. We're going to define those lips, and I like to color in my entire lip with the lip liner just to give it a strong base. Now I'm going to go over my lined lips with Smashbox's Be Legendary lipstick in Pinch Me Matte. And next, for the fun part, is these cute cat ears that I got off of Amazon. They're adorable. They're actually really comfortable to wear, and they have these cute little cat bells on the ears, and they're just adorable. Here's my final cat makeup look. So easy, so fun for Halloween. Comment below and let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!